Hey there creators, today we are diving into After Effects to explore the captivating crystal vibe effect. So let's add some magic to your project. Firstly, drag and drop your image to a timeline and make sure you have uploaded PNG file. Then right click the layer and click on pre-comp and name it accordingly. Then click OK. Now double click your comp layer. Now right click, new, then click on solid. Select a white solid color and click OK. Now select the ellipse tool and draw a circle on the solid layer. It will automatically create a mask. Now expand the mask, then reduce the amount of mask expansion till it fades out from your timeline. Now bring your time indicator a little forward and change your mask expansion value to around 410 and change the feather to around 80%. Now go to effects and preset and search for rug and edge effect and drag and drop that effect to your solid layer, or we can also say mask layer. Again go to effects and preset and search for mosaic effect and drag and drop this effect to your timeline. Now go to effects control and change the value of horizontal block to around 140 and vertical block to around 29. Now change your PNG layer from none to alpha matte, and if you don't find this option, then click on toggle switches and modes. Now go to your comp layer and press Ctrl+D to make a duplicate of it. Now go to effects and preset and search for difference matte effect and drag and drop this effect to your duplicate comp. Now change the difference layer to second choose layer and change matching tolerance to 1%, matching softness to 0.1% and blur before difference to 1. Now shift your first comp a little forward and click on solo icon. It will hide all layer except this layer. Now we just shrink our work area to work more frequently. As you can see, our effect is almost ready. We just need to apply a few more effects on it. Now go to effects and preset and search for cell pattern effect and drag and drop this effect to your comp. Now change cell pattern from bubble to crystal HQ and change contrast to around 130, disperse to around 1.40, size to around 70. Now press and hold Alt option on your keyboard and click on stopwatch like icon of evolution. This will enable the expression of it. Now just type time multiplied by 150 on the expression. And you can also change this value according to you. Now go to effects and preset and search for CC vector blur effect. This will create a glossy look. Change the amount to around -100. Angle softness to +30. And map softness to 0. Now search for tritone effect and drag and drop this effect to your timeline and change the color of it according to you. We'll go with the bright teal or cyan color, and now we'll search for last effect, that is deep glow effect, and change the radius of it to around 300, exposure to around 0.80, and our effects is being ready. Now we'll disable our solo layer option. You can also replace the image by going to the comp, and you can replace any image by pressing Alt and drag that on your current image. And that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed mastering the crystal vibe effect. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep creating and make your amazing effects.